In this video, my artificial intelligence companion will be reading an article from the Freelance, an article written by J.B. Nicholas entitled "One of Robert Brooks' Alleged Killers Can Keep His Guns. Court Rejects Attorney General's Effort to Disarm Guard." I am linking the article in the description. If you prefer to go to their website and read it, by all means, feel free to do so. You can also feel free to donate to that platform. They have a donate button on the upper right-hand portion of the article that's linked below.
February 6, 2025. The prison guard captured on video choking Robert Brooks and restraining him for other guards to assault can keep his guns for now. David J. Kingsley, engaged in violent and possibly homicidal conduct against a New York State DOCS inmate that caused serious physical harm and potentially death to that inmate, but state law allows him to keep his guns. State Supreme Court Justice William P. Ramsire ruled on Thursday. The red flag gun law Attorney General Letitia James attempted to use to disarm Kingsley was not designed to punish individuals who have engaged in conduct resulting in serious harm to others. That is the purpose of the criminal justice system. No matter how heinous or odious the alleged conduct of Kingsley, Justice Ramsire explained, James's office failed to allege, let alone provide proof, that the respondent is likely to engage in conduct that would result in serious harm to himself or others outside of his employment by DOCCS. The court's decision allowing Kingsley to keep his guns focuses attention on Special Prosecutor William J. Fitzpatrick's failure to arrest anyone for Brooks's killing. Almost 2 months have passed since Brooks was beaten, kicked, and choked to death by Kingsley and other members of a beat-up squad of state prison guards inside the infirmary at the Marcy Correctional Facility on December 9, 2024. It was unintentionally captured on video by body cameras worn by 4 of the guards. 2 days ago, the Freelance exclusively revealed the Onondaga County Medical Examiner had concluded its investigation, finding Brooks' killing was a homicide. In response, Governor Kathy Hochul called Brooks' killing a murder for the first time and said, "The family of Mr. Brooks deserves no further delays." Kingsley is just one of 17 Department of Corrections and Community Supervision employees suspended without pay. The 17 include 4 sergeants, 11 correction officers, and 2 nurses. Another CO, Anthony Farina, resigned. Governor Hochul said the remaining 17 would be fired, but that decision is ultimately up to a 3-judge arbitration panel under DOCC's labor contract with the Guards Union. James, the Attorney General, filed a petition for an extreme risk protection order to disarm Kingsley under New York's new red flag gun law on December 24. The novel law allows a judge to order a person disarmed if the state proves there's probable cause to believe he or she is likely to engage in conduct that would result in serious harm to self or others. Using the red flag gun law, James attempted to disarm a total of 4 of the guards suspended for killing Brooks: Nicholas J. Anzalone, Robert T. Kessler, and Matthew J. Gallagher were the other 3. Anzalone and Kessler consented to court orders disarming them. Gallagher demanded a hearing. An assistant attorney general from James's office called Gallagher to the witness stand at that hearing, but he invoked his constitutional right against self-incrimination. "I refuse to answer that on my Fifth Amendment rights," Gallagher said, 6 times outside court. After the hearing, Gallagher's lawyer, Kevin A. Louisbrand, insisted his client didn't do anything wrong. Justice Peter M. Rahill presided over the hearing in Utica, in Oneida County, but has yet to issue a decision. The judge who issued the decision in Kingsley's case, Ramsire, sits in Watertown, in Jefferson County. The 2 judges rank equally, so Rahill is not necessarily bound to follow Ramsire's decision, although he may find its reasoning persuasive. The decision is precedent-setting. In effect, it rules New York's red flag gun law cannot be applied to merely alleged and uncharged crimes. Justice Ramsire ruled against James, even though Kingsley did not appear to defend himself at a hearing the court held on January 2. The decision is surprising because James's office won a preliminary ruling from Justice Ramsire requiring Kingsley to give up his guns on an emergency basis. Kingsley, a NYS corrections officer, participated in the physical assault of Robert L. Brooks, a NYS DOCCS inmate, which resulted in the death of Brooks. Justice Ramsire's preliminary December 24 decision said. Accordingly, there was probable cause to believe Kingsley is likely to engage in conduct that would result in serious harm to others. Justice Ramsire's decision on Thursday revokes that, allowing Kingsley to purchase and possess firearms. As deeply troubling as the facts of this case are, the decision concludes, to issue an extreme risk protection order under these circumstances would constitute a misapplication of the red flag law. James's press office did not respond to an invitation to comment. An Oneida County grand jury will begin hearing evidence against the guards on February 10, Fitzpatrick, the special prosecutor, said on Thursday.
If you found value in this video, like the video, share the video, and if I've earned it, please subscribe. My goal is to give you honest and direct feedback and dig deeper than what the mainstream media is sharing. Take care, God bless, and see you next time.